Welcome to Sales Fails, where we take a look at the salesman's toolbox and we move a few spanners. This episode, we're jumping into the land of LinkedIn to brave the lions and deconstruct the personal sales pitch. I received a message from my dear friend, registered company name in all caps, Ben. Copyright Ben had a proposition for me I just could not possibly refuse. I am Ben from company name, who are acrylic manufacturer. Monolithic max thickness 300 meters, length 11.5 meters, width 3.7 meters. It's a good thing I have those measurements because I absolutely hate being catfished by my acrylic manufacturers. My personal favorite at the end was, and any other size, so throw those measurements out the window, Ben is going rogue. May I know if you have any demand for acrylic for your aquarium pool? Thanks. A little bit of background, my previous position was a marketing coordinator for my local aquarium back in 2017. This really is a case of if only I was 2 years younger. I didn't reply because I'm a millennial and social interaction frightens me, but I got another 2 messages from Ben with each unlocking a piece of his name. It went from thanks to have a nice day, Ben, to my best regards, Ben, and his last name. Also with his mobile, Skype, email, website, and shoe size all at the bottom. I finally gave in and I replied, "Hi, company name registered trademark circa 1988, all rights reserved." I'm afraid not. I got back a swift, "Okay, Luke," followed by another 3 sales messages. Now, let's see how we could improve Ben's phishing technique. First of all, let's look at the targeting. My aquarium knowledge is 2 years old and fading, so this was possibly down to his LinkedIn search. The platform will collect absolutely anyone with the aquarium on their profile, so anyone who has ever smelled the fishy aroma of the aquarium is going to appear in this search. This doesn't mean they're desperate for acrylics anytime soon. The elephant in the room is the company name on the profile. It just doesn't look genuine on a social media platform. The closest I'll ever want to talk to a company online is through Wendy's Twitter feed. Next and finally is cutting your losses. A follow-up message is completely fine as long as it looks like a follow-up message. I'm not going to magically forget the last 4 messages you've just sent me. So Ben, thank you for your kind offer, but I'm afraid I'm not going to be jumping into the pool with you on this one. Thanks for watching. If you would like any more sales fails, don't forget to subscribe to us and click on that notification bell. And also check out Maverrik.com for a bunch of tips and tricks how you can improve your sales pitches.